Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, AI, and exploring the many positive impacts it has on society. AI has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from healthcare and education to transportation and environmental protection. As we continue to develop and deploy AI technologies, we can expect to see significant improvements in our quality of life. Positive impacts of AI on society. Healthcare. AI is being used to develop new drugs and treatments, diagnose diseases more accurately, and provide personalized care. This could lead to longer lives, better health outcomes, and reduced healthcare costs. Education. AI can personalize learning experiences, provide real-time feedback, and identify students who need additional support. This could lead to improved student outcomes, increased access to education, and reduced dropout rates. Transportation. AI is being used to develop self-driving cars, which could reduce traffic accidents, save lives, and make transportation more efficient. AI is also being used to optimize traffic flow and improve public transportation systems. Environmental protection. AI can be used to monitor environmental conditions, track deforestation, and develop sustainable solutions. This could help us to protect our planet and combat climate change. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, answer questions, and resolve issues quickly and efficiently. This could lead to improved customer satisfaction and reduced costs for businesses. Examples of AI in action. IBM's Watson. Watson is a supercomputer that can analyze vast amounts of data and answer questions in a human-like way. It has been used to diagnose diseases, provide legal advice, and develop new marketing strategies. Google Translate. Google Translate uses AI to translate text from one language to another. It can translate over 100 languages and is constantly improving. Spotify. Spotify uses AI to recommend music to users based on their listening habits. This helps users to discover new music that they enjoy. Self-driving cars. Several companies are developing self-driving cars which use AI to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. Self-driving cars could revolutionize transportation and make our roads safer. The future of AI. AI is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and beneficial applications. Conclusion. AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to make the world a better place. By using AI responsibly and ethically, we can create a future where everyone benefits from this transformative technology. Call to action. I encourage you to learn more about the positive impacts of AI and to get involved in shaping the future of this technology. Together, we can ensure that AI is a force for good in the world. Thanks for watching.